Celebration today at the Lakeview Lodge at Heavenly Ski Resort. Public, private, nonprofit, and other agencies, all who love Lake Tahoe, recognizing the passage of the Lake Tahoe Restoration Reauthorization Act.
KOLO 8 News Now's Terry Russell was there and finds now the boots on the ground work really begins to sustain a national treasure.
You can't get a much better view of Lake Tahoe than the Lakeview Lodge at Heavenly Ski Resort. It is fitting that this location is where those who love Lake Tahoe gathered to recognize the signing of the Lake Tahoe Restoration and Reauthorization Act on October 2nd.
We have all come together around the goal of protecting something that is larger than any of us, that transcends political differences, that is timeless.
The Restoration and Reauthorization Act means more than $400 million to the Tahoe Basin for the next 10 years. It will go to public, private, nonprofits, and other groups represented by the people here. They will apply for the money to help organize and pay for cleanup efforts like this one at Lake Tahoe Shores. The money means continued boat inspections to keep invasive species like the quagga mussel out of Lake Tahoe, and available funds for conducting prescribed burns in hopes of sustaining healthy forests that surround Lake Tahoe. While local agencies, groups, private sector businesses represented here are organized and motivated and ready to go, to get this bill to the president's desk required more than that. Lake Tahoe is located both in California and Nevada, and state agencies and representatives needed a buy-in as well. If you notice, Kylie, a Republican from California, and Nevada's senior senator, Cortez Masto, are sitting together. The two worked together in a bipartisan effort. It was crucial in getting the federal funding needed for the bill's passage, something nearly unheard of back in Washington.
This was a bi-state, bipartisan, bicameral work that we did and will continue to do to protect Lake Tahoe. And it's a great example and a model for the rest of the country and how we can get things done.
The objective of the Tahoe Restoration Act is actually written in its title: to restore the lake where needed, to preserve Lake Tahoe, so that it can ultimately be cherished by generations to come. Up at Lake Tahoe, Terry Russell, KOLO 8 News Now.